Hong Kong authorities have stepped up their crackdown on fuel smuggling as high oil prices continue to bite. According to Associated Press, smugglers have been moving fuel from mainland China, where prices are lower, to Hong Kong. The main reason drivers have paid more at the pump is because of the global energy crisis caused by the Iran war. Hong Kong's Customs Department stated it launched an operation with police and fire departments last month, dubbed Knockout. It resulted in 27 arrests, as well as the seizure of 15 cars, 1 speedboat, and 21,000 liters of contraband fuel, according to officials at a news conference Wednesday. The Hong Kong officials emphasized the potential danger of unregulated use and sale of fuel. Hong Kong is on a transition to further use of electric vehicles, but still has a majority of petrol-fueled vehicles.
油價咧當然係會成為走私分子圖利嘅原因啦，因為可能佢哋睇到咧，暫時間兩地嘅差價，內地同埋香港係個差價係越嚟越擴闊啦，所以佢哋可能會睇準呢個利潤而多咗進行一啲非法嘅活動。